Thank you. What's up guys, it's Gabe here. Welcome back to another video, and in today's video we are here for game 1 of this 3-game set against the Chicago White Sox. We're heading out right now to the field, headed to section 138, which is our section here tonight. It should be a fun one tonight, folks, because it is hip-hop fireworks night. So yeah, we're gonna kick off the 4th of July weekend right, and hopefully watch the A's win and not get perfect games. Let's go, Luis. There we go. 2 outs now, but the runner leaded off this game with a double is now at third. Well, 1-0 White Sox lead. What's up, NorCal Nodders? What you doing here at the Game Use Authentics?
Bro, this is where I live, dude. I'm here like all the time, trying to find something cool. I saw a little pawn shade thing over there, trying to find myself a rooker, maybe game issues, something like that. But I did just see this though. Look at that wrap, bro.
This is Aledmus Diaz. You can't see because it's blurry, but that's who that is.
That's sick. But the mustache on there, that's sweet, dude.
Are you gonna get it?
About that. I will.
Get it. Get it.
I'm gonna go upstairs to the one first.
Get it. Get it. Sweet talking.
Okay. Alright, I'll get it.
Alright guys, so I just came back from getting food. And I missed a lot of scoring because I couldn't hold my drink, my food, and the camera at the same time. But that's the food. My sister's eating it. So there's that. And then also they scored 4 times, so now they're winning 4-1, so hopefully they can keep that up. Good to know that they're not going to get perfect game today, or no hit today, so that's always a plus. Luis Medina is doing pretty well. And now we're going to the bottom of the 3rd. Let's go, Brett! That's a triple for Brett Rooker! Also, since Rob doesn't have anyone else to do this with, I got the big arm today. I got Jose Canseco on the muscle, so let's hope they score a lot more so I can bash Rob with this. Yeah! Yeah! Let's go. It's a solo shot to left field. It's 5-1. Let's go. Alright guys, so forgive me, but I'm being a tour guide right now. I got my friends over here. So just trying to get them some chicken tenders. That's what we gotta do. We gotta hook them up with the chicken tenders. Alright, A's are in sticky situation here. They got runners on everywhere. They got runners everywhere. Let's make some noise! Let's go, Sam Mole. Yeah! There we go. Out number 2. 1 more to go. I got Rob in front of me with his gigantic muscles. Hey, Rob.
Rally Rumble!
Rally Rumble, you heard it here first. Let's go. Come on, Sam Mole. Oh no. Oh no. Off the wall. That's gonna score 1, 2, and 2. Alright, well, 5-3 now.
No good!
No good.
No good! No good! That's no good!
Well, check it out. So Sam Mole is done. Here comes Trevor May.
Trevor!
Rob, are you gonna bring the big arms onto the field?
Bring him down there. Gonna watch hip hop fireworks. Hip hop. Fireworks, fireworks, fireworks. Don't do drugs, kids.
There we go. Trevor May comes in, strikes him out. The A's are still winning 5-3. Let's go, boys.
Let's go!
There we go. He's going home. Oh, I can't see. Yeah. 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 Woo. Tyler Wade tags it up. Yeah, he tagged it up. Rob's arm is in my way. You've been standing up for like 2 innings straight, and the one time I readjust, you sit down.
And now look at the score. We're up 1 more run. You're welcome.
All right.
You're welcome.
Yeah, let's go. It's 7-3. Double play. No! Boo. Solo shot for Luis Robert. It's 7-4. Here we go. Yeah! Let's freaking go, boys. The A's beat the Chicago White Sox 7-4. Yay! Let's go! Yay! Let's go, Rob! Ladies and gentlemen, we're going on the field.
Hey,
Hey! How do you feel about going down here with Rob?
It's an experience. Bang, 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 bang. Bang, 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 bang.
We are on the field, ladies and gentlemen. Where are we going? Where are we going? How was that? Whoa, shoot, I almost fell again.
That was fantastic. That was hip hop, a lot of hip hop. It was fantastic, and I'm gonna come back. I definitely will come back here again. This is like one of my very first times getting here, and I really thought it was really cool coming to the game. And the fireworks were really special and really nice. So yeah. Anyways, like and subscribe down below right here.
That's right. All right, guys. So this is where I'm gonna end my video. The A's beat the Chicago White Sox 7-4, and hip hop fireworks night was amazing. As you heard Rob say it, it was cool. So yeah, tomorrow the A's are gonna be playing game 2 here, and I will be here for that game. Unfortunately, I will not be here Sunday. So yeah, tomorrow will be my last game for this homestand, and then afterwards we'll wait until they come back. But if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like on this video, subscribe if you're new. Don't forget, guys, life begins at the end of your comfort zone. I'll see you guys tomorrow for game 2 against the Chicago White Sox. See you, Rob. See you later.
Bye!
Bye, y'all.
Bye!
Had to get away from all that toxic energy. I've been out the way, but I still know they feeling me. I feel like a god, I'm talking about the enemy. Yeah.